Hi everyone, from this tutorial I am going to show you an easy way to measure the size of a GitHub repository. Let's start. Open the Google Chrome web browser and navigate to the Google web page. Search for the GitHub repository by Harsh Vakaria. Then click on this particular URL and click on Add to Chrome button. So the extension icon will appear in the Chrome toolbar. Now navigate to the GitHub account and open a public repository. Here you can see the size of a public repository. But you should have to do some more steps to measure the size of a private repository. Now click on the profile icon and then click Settings. On the sidebar, click Developer Settings. Then click on Personal Access Token. By clicking on Generate New Token, you are able to create a new personal access token. Before click on the Generate Token, you should have to provide a node and check on the repo. Here is your personal access token. Copy it and click on the extension icon. Now it will ask to enter a token, so paste the token and click OK. So now open a private repository and here you can see the size of the repository. Thank you.